Most people get this wrong. They think Cashlet is just another quick pay app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Cashlet has evolved into a comprehensive financial platform offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending management tools, all designed to give you more control over your money. Here's how Cashlet works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours, which can be helpful for unexpected bills or urgent expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into smaller, predictable installments, making budgeting easier and reducing reliance on high-interest credit. Cashlet also offers dashboards, alerts, and reminders to track advances, payments, and spending patterns. These tools help prevent late payments and encourage responsible use. The downside: overusing Cashlet can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may accumulate fees, and relying too heavily on the app could hide deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Turn on notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Cashlet. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with regular income or per repayment habits could end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Cashlet in 2026 is a practical and convenient financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews and actionable money tips.